Petrol prices in several districts in Karnataka breached the sensitive rupees 100 litre mark. Yes, on Monday, after touching a record of high in several states including Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, at Sirsi in Uttara Kannada district, fuel prices were perhaps the highest in the state, with the petrol at 103.51 and diesel at 93.21 per litre. In Bengaluru, fuel prices rose by 29 paise but remained below that sensitive 100 rupees mark at rupees 98.49 paise for petrol and rupees 91.41 per litre of diesel. Balaji Rao, president of Bengaluru Petroleum Dealers Association, said that in another 10 days the price will cross 100 per litre in Bengaluru too. He explained that there are multiple reasons for the fuel hike, including the lockdown, the rise in dollar price, and also the dip in country's economy, in which fuel sales is a large contributor. Earlier, India purchased some of the fuel from Iran in rupees. Now, with the Iran issue, the cost has escalated, and also because India is buying in dollars from other OPEC countries. Since there is a lockdown and movement is less, the rising fuel cost has little impact so far. It will hit hard when the lockdown is lifted and the movement to offices become regular. The rise in cost of other items along with fuel cost will have a major impact on the monthly home budget, said Pradeep K, a factory manager who is working from home in Bengaluru. Now, for those in the districts who are already badly hit with the pandemic and the lockdown, the spiraling fuel price is burning a deep hole in their pockets. Though their physical movement outside is restricted, the petrol and diesel prices will have a cascading effect on the prices of essential commodities. Now, the increase of prices of petroleum products will have a direct impact on the livelihood of the common man. Hence, the government should immediately cut excise duty and ensure that fuel prices are brought down, said a resident of Devnagari. Stock and bullion traders suggested that the government bring down excise duty and issue oil bonds for the time being. Now, in Navagiri, petrol prices rose to Rs 100.17 from Rs 99.88 and diesel 92.82 from Rs 92.54 on Monday. In Chitradurga, petrol price went up to Rs 99.90 to Rs 100.16 and diesel from 92.55 to 92.81. In Ballari, petrol price was at Rs 100.08 per litre. In Karwar, petrol prices touched Rs 100.17 and diesel was being sold at Rs 92.91 per litre. Though there are not many vehicles on the roads, locals say that the price hike is too much. We have to think twice before taking our vehicles out, but we need to make a living, and this is a very critical time, said a resident of Karwar. People just don't know how to react. Vendors fear that prices of perishable commodities will increase further. Already they are paying a higher price for vegetables and meat. It will further increase due to hike in diesel prices, said a retailer from Karwar. Now, a hoteler and these retailers are of the view that this is nothing but a process just to make more money. The pandemic has led to a hike of about 40% in our food prices. The fuel hike will add another 5-10% per increase. In Monday, fuel prices in Havali, Dharwad went up to about 29 paise. While petrol is being sold at 98.35, diesel now costs Rs 91.30 per litre. Already pictures of vegetable, fruits and other food items are on the rise due to restricted selling hours and short supply. Transportation costs would further push up their prices. Shivamoga too saw the highest price ever, with petrol at Rs 99.88, diesel being Rs 92.6 per litre. Ashwani, a housewife, said it has become very difficult for common people to make both ends meet amidst the lockdown when people in many families have lost jobs. Slamming both the central and state government, a resident said that it has become unmanageable to take cars out. In Hassan, petrol prices was at Rs 98.31 and diesel at 91.12 per litre on Monday. Auto rickshaw and cab drivers said they are facing tough times as fuel prices are increasing, but fares have remained unchanged. Hitting out the government, Bellagavi industrialist SN Sheikh said that fuel price hike and rate of inflation will have an adverse impact on various other sectors besides trade in essential commodities. The surge was witnessed in Bellagavi. The price of petrol rose to Rs 98.36 and diesel to Rs 91.32 per litre. Problems for the common man will only worsen further due to the rising inflation once the situation returns to normal. That is when the vehicles are actually going to be used. It will become even more difficult for small businesses which are on the verge of closure. A revenue department employee in Kalaburgi said that people are forced to fork out more for petrol despite the price rise, as they cannot depend on city buses or auto rickshaw all the time. On Monday, petrol was being sold in the city at Rs 98.30 and diesel at Rs 91.20 per litre. Thank you.